Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to Friday Night Cocktails, just like our lives. Dark and stormy. Rum, bitters, ginger beer, ice, lemon for garnish. Let's make this amazing cocktail. So, start over with a highball. Fill it up with good ginger beer. So dark and stormy, the darker the rum, better it will look. Bingo! We're done with that. Next thing, we're gonna put a couple of dashes of bitters. Just a couple. That's good and beautiful. I'm making a mess as always. And then 2 ounces of dark rum. This is a nice rum cocktail. Boom! You can see the beauty of this drink. Ah, that's pretty, man. Ah. We're gonna do wedges. Got a slit. There we go. Got a sleep. There we go. Dark and stormy, like our lives. Cheers. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Like, subscribe, share, comment, follow Friday Night Cocktails.